In a land of lush, green meadows, where the rivers flowed freely and the sun shone brightly, there lived a small dragonfly named Dazzle. Dazzle was known for his vibrant, iridescent wings, which shimmered in the sunlight, casting a beautiful kaleidoscope of colors across the landscape. One day, Dazzle noticed that the once vibrant wetland, his home, was slowly losing its life. The water was becoming murky, the plants were dying, and the air was filled with an unnatural silence. Dazzle was puzzled and saddened by the changes he saw. He decided to investigate the cause of this transformation. As he ventured into the wetland, he found a group of humans near the edge, dredging the land for precious stones. Dazzle approached them, his wings beating softly against the air. "What have you done to my home?" Dazzle asked, his voice small but full of sorrow. The humans looked up, startled by the tiny dragonfly, and then laughed. "This wetland is just a nuisance. It's in the way of our progress," one of them replied. "We're just trying to make things better for you humans." Dazzle was shocked. He explained that the wetland was not just a nuisance, but a vital part of the ecosystem. "Without the wetland, where will I find food? Where will I lay my eggs? Where will the other animals live?" The humans paused, considering Dazzle's words. They realized that they had not thought about the consequences of their actions. They promised to find a new location for their project, one that would not harm the wetland. Dazzle returned to his home, relieved. He saw that the humans were true to their word, and the wetland began to recover. The water cleared, the plants grew, and the animals returned. Dazzle's home was restored, and he was grateful for the humans who had listened. From that day forward, Dazzle became a symbol of the importance of respecting nature. He reminded everyone that every living being has a role to play in the ecosystem, and that we must consider the consequences of our actions before we act. And so, the tale of the shimmering skies serves as a reminder to us all: let us tread lightly upon this earth, for we are all connected, and the choices we make today will shape the world for generations to come.